no doubt. I got anything on my face, yo? Answer the question, yo.
In the comment section, let him know if he got something on his face.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Pill coming at you with the 100 chicken nugget challenge, but instead we're doing 120 Chick-fil-A nuggets because we don't really bang with McDonald's, neither one of us.
Not one bit.
And the Chick-fil-A nuggets are a little smaller, so we just got 120, you know what I mean? I'm here with my boy.
Boy Gabe, you know, Agent Zero. I'm trying to finish these Johns in 5 minutes.
Good old fashioned or agua, H2O. You need a head start because I'm about to toast him. Ain't no nuggets like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Cause Chick-fil-A nugget, a nugget.
Ain't fake.
I'm done.
Yeah, alright, bitch. Niggas paid too much money for that shit. You gonna eat them nuggets?
You gonna eat these nuggets today?
I'd rather have Chick-fil-A nugget than a McDonald's nugget. These is like 100%. What's McDonald's like 10? 10% chicken.
McDonald's nuggets look like gum paste uncooked, so I don't even know if you can classify it as chicken. They might be nuggets. I don't know if they're chicken nuggets. No. I'll tell you this. Anytime you got a challenge on your channel involving food, you're more than welcome to lend a hand, my friend.
This is his last challenge, guys.
With every moment.
Where my water at?
Oh, look at that. That's a bonus plus right there. That look like Gumby or something. Chicken Little Run.
That look like Littlefoot. He getting toasted right now, guys.
Bro, I think I ate about 30.
There's 30 in the box.
Oh.
You so funny as shit. I eat like a savage, so don't judge me. Damn, I'm getting full.
Bro.
No. You know that's a lie. You know how I get down.
Halfway done.
With his first box.
Yeah, I need to do this challenge every day.
No,
You
you
gained
gained
some
some
weight.
weight.
What do you think, YouTube?
Show me your wrist, yo.
Look at that bicep though. Check that out. If we get 100 likes on this, I'll take my shirt off. You can see this sexy bicep.
I've not forgetting likes on a video before in my life.
You said you what?
I said I've never not rooted for getting likes on my video. But today, I'll take 99.
Okay, okay.
If we only get 99, I'll be satisfied. We are not trying to see. Oh, yo, what's the boy's name from Halloween Town? Not Halloween Town. What's that shit? Night Before Christmas. Jack. Not trying to see Jack on the channel.
Tim Burton. Night Before Christmas.
Tim Burton. Okay.
Jimmy Neutron. Tim Burton.
Yeah, whatever.
It's okay. It's okay, man.
One thing you guys might not see on here is any spicy challenges. Unless I really start getting lots of requests. Which I don't get many, but anyway. Yeah, I had to get lots of requests to do that because I don't do spicy. I'm a little punk when it comes to spicy. I'm a biatch. You talking down
I think it.
No.
Okay, it's okay.
In the comment section, tell me who you think gonna win. Me or Gabe. Just let me know, man. Let me know, dog. I got anything on my face, yo? Answer the question, yo.
In the comment section, let him know if he got something on his face.
Come on, yo. You being petty. It's all good. He feeling it. He about to get full here in the next bite. He gonna have to drink all these sauces.
No, boy.
That last question was a trick question because I'm done with my first box.
Bro.
Yep.
I'll tell you one thing, these some good nuggets, man.
Yo.
Shout out to Chick-fil-A, boy.
Chicken.
Oh my god.
I got 11 more, yo. I'm almost there. You ain't got 9 times. You got 26 left.
I got nothing less than that.
22.
19, 20.
21. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think it would be this hard. Swallow, boy.
Oh my
Yeah, it's crazy. You got a long way to go, yo.
Chill, bro.
You wanna trade a couple of your big ones for my small ones, yo?
Nah, we rocking.
You sure?
Yeah.
You good? You wanna trade? We good. Switch some Jones out.
Pick 'em, yo.
Yo really traded that shit.
Yo, I literally, like, you know how usually you have like a couple nuggets that's like small? Nah, all these joints is husky, bro. Yeah, let me get that one. These joints is husky,
I'll
bro.
help him out, yo.
Look, I'm about to drink out the bottle. Crazy.
Yeah, he's drunk right now.
Yo.
He's drunk on Chick-fil-A sauce. Back at it again with the double drinks.
Yeah, I might not eat for like 2 days.
You about to go into hibernation.
I'm about to go on a fast.
Done. It's all on you, Spotlight. Cause the spotlight ain't nothing without some nuggets. It's my channel, but I'm recording right now. Okay, my boy Shake back on the channel.
Back on the Chinese eye.
What would you do for what price? How much to finish the nuggets?
$40 right now. I'll finish all of these.
Where?
Yeah.
After 50 nuggets, 60 nuggets, I feel alright. Yeah, I mean, it was hard getting through them joints, but I feel good. But you see my main man over here, he couldn't hatch it. He could not cut it.
52, I feel like shit.
Would you
It
do
got
this
to the
again?
point where when I was chewing it, it just felt like chalk. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it no more. So I guess I'll be donating to Hurricane Harvey. Big Bang.
That's a wrap.